All right, we made it. Well, I made it. Not everybody else is here just yet. Anyways, yeah, it's gonna be windy, guys. We got some rain coming in. That should hopefully help some activity. I'm really hoping we get a nasty storm. And I literally just got here, and it is insane. We'll do a walk around outside. I can't get in just yet, and I gotta be quick, guys. So, waiting on Matt, Gary, and Brian. There's a cool view. I hope we get a lot of lightning. So, there we are. I'm not going to be able to get any B-roll until this storm passes. I had planned on taking the drone up and everything like that, but it's too windy and we got some rain, so I should be able to get some B-roll with my GoPro. It is waterproof. Let's see, I'm gonna come over here real quick. Oh, they filled it in a little bit, it looks like. So there was a little bit of a survey done here, and they believe perhaps maybe somebody may be buried here. But that's all hearsay. It's like second or third hand information or whatever, I don't know. Anyways. So there, made it. I'm gonna get the GoPro out and use it in this wonderful weather.